Hi guys, it's Chris L, Lightspeed Digital Media, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create an ebook via Canva. So before I continue, I'd love it if you could just smash the like button below. That really helps me out. And if you could subscribe to my channel, again, you can get all the latest videos as they come out. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva on how to create an ebook. So Canva has a free option or a paid option. I used to use the free option and upgraded to the paid option. Highly recommended. It's a great bit of software, and you can pretty much I do most of my things on Canva and use those to import into my choice of funnels, which is Kartra. So let's jump onto the ebook. So I'm currently in my Canva account. What we're going to do is create, and then we're going to just put in a Facebook post, and you can customize your sizes depending on what you're doing, whether it be Instagram, Facebook ad or post, whatever you wanted to do. You can customize that to suit whatever you need to do. So let me just show you guys the screen. So as you can see, we've got the top banner of Canva, and then down here on the left hand side we've got some options. We've got templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, styles, and audios. I'm going to do another video showing you guys exactly how to use Canva for different things, but for time's sake I'm just going to stick to doing an e-cover for today's video. So what we need to do is, on the left hand side we can see we've got templates, uploads, photos, and elements. What we need to do is click on the elements, and then what we do, click on grids, or just type in the word grids. Obviously I've got this preloaded. This will give you different grids that you can use. What we're going to use is the blank grid, just all in one, and then that will upload into your page. So what we then need to do is we need to get an image or a photo to put in the background. So let's click on photos, again, templates, uploads, and photos, and then what we can do is we can put in photo. I've got one preloaded, photo mockup table. So let's just put that for today's example. And then whatever you put up here, it will give you different pictures. You've got thousands of stock images in Canva to choose from. So both the free and the paid version. So say, for instance, we wanted to use this image here. What we would do is, let me click off of this. What we need to do is hold this image down, bring it over, and then what will happen, this image will then fill in the whole space of the image that we need filling in for our post itself. So once we've done that, what we do then is, on the left hand side we click on elements, and then what we're going to do, instead of grids, we're going to come out of grids and just click on frames. So what this will do will give us the frame for what we want to put our actual promotion for. So ours is going to be promoting an ebook. So for me as a digital marketeer, I would want to do something with, say, a computer screen, iPad, and iPhone. So if I click on this, we could do either this one or this one. Let's click on this screen. So what we'll do is we'll sit that on the table like so, and then what we'll do, we'll get an iPhone, click on the iPhone, and then all you need to do to move it around is hold down, and you can literally move this around the screen to suit you. Or if you want to rotate it, you can literally just click on left or right, and it will tell you what degrees that you're going to rotate your image for. So as you can see, as I move this around the screen, different lines pop up. Each of these lines will give you a horizontal or vertical depending on where you are. So say we wanted to make sure this all lined up, you can see that the lines match up to see that we're all sitting at the same distance from the table to each other. So obviously now the phone is too big, so what we can do is reduce this down to size. So that would be, say, something like that would be relevant to an iPhone compared to a computer screen. Now if we want to, let's say, jump into getting an iPad, we could then, again, let's sit that on the same level, and then you can see there's the level, same as the computer, and then we can reduce this down to suit to make sure it's roughly the same size. So there we've got our three images now, and if we want to position the iPad behind the computer, all we do is we highlight what we want to do, click on the position, and then we can just press backwards and this will go behind the actual computer, or we can bring it forward. So backwards, you can see that's actually gone behind the screen, and then if we click forwards, this brings it in front of the screen. So that's really cool. So what we need to do now is I want to upload some ebook covers into these images, and I've got some already that I've uploaded. So I've got a selection, so you can see here. Let's jump down and let's do Facebook Ads Authority. So let's put a Facebook Ads Authority in here. Now I'm going to jump back into some issues that we may have, but let me just move all these. All we do is we drag and drop these into the box that we want them in. So you can see that here we've got Facebook Ads Authority, which is as clear as it needs to be. And again, in the iPhone, let me just enlarge that so you can see it fits nicely into the iPhone itself. But with the computer screen, it doesn't fit correctly. So all we need to do to crop an image, which is cropping means moving the image around, we double click on the image, and then we can move the image left or right or up or down. So in our case, we want to move it down, click off, and you can see we've got Facebook Ads Authority, how to use Facebook to master. We can move that out the way so you can see the whole screen. Again, there's too much space on the top. So again, what we do, we double click, and then we can move that up slightly. So that is at the top. Let's adjust that slightly, and then we can click off, and you can see that again is sort of more central to the screen. You can see we're popping up a little bit there. So let's double click, let's move that out the way so it looks a little bit more uniform. And if we do that, boom. So there we go. We've just created we've got some ebooks that we've put into some screens onto a background. And if you wanted to change any of this, all of this can be changed. Your background can be changed to any color you want, effects. All you need to do is click on whatever you want to change. And on the top here, you've got colors to change, filters. We can add filters, we can adjust, we can crop, we can flip. So again, I'm going to go into another video on how we can do this a little bit more detail, but I just wanted to get you guys to show you how you can create your own ebooks. If you've got them already created, you can just drag them into actually the images that you wanted to do on say a computer screen or an iPad or an iPhone. So let's put these a little bit closer. And that's basically how you would do that in Canva. It's quite simple, really. And then once you've finished your actual product, what you can do then is you can download it by pressing the download button. If you wanted a transparent background, you can do that. You can compress a file, or you can choose the file type. You press the download button, and basically this will download for you, and then you can upload it to your Facebook ad or your Instagram or whatever you wanted to do, your cart tray if you're doing funnels. So yeah, there's a basic overview. I hope that has made sense and helped, but that's the way I create my ebook designs, and that's how I kind of show them to people using my Facebook ads or my actual funnel software, which is Kartra. So I hope that's been really helpful for you guys. I'd love it if you could put some comments below to let me know what you thought of the video. I can always expand more on how I use Canva for my particular agencies. And if you're looking for someone to run your Facebook ads, or you're looking for a one-to-one service, then I'll leave the link below that you can contact me for Lightspeed Digital Media, and we could possibly work together to get your business up and running, or to expand it in the social media arena. So my name's Chris L, Lightspeed Digital Media. Pass your comments below, and I'll catch up with you later. Take care. Bye.